You're with NDTV 24/7. I'm Ume Kulsum. So, this is India Decides, where we get you to speak on issues that matter to you. So, after the chief of the parliamentary committee said that there are no studies in India that link cancer with tobacco, the government disappointed, and in some words of the activists, the government simply disregarded years of work on a campaign that India was actually hailed for internationally to have pictorial warnings on tobacco products. On India Decides, we want you to have your say on this. In fact, sugar causes diabetes. No one stops its use on that. So why single out tobacco? Is that a line of thinking that even makes logic? Joining us on this discussion are people from across the country with our reporters. But first, let's listen in. As I said, first it was the chief of the parliamentary committee saying that there is no Indian evidence to link cancer to cigarettes. Another member of the same panel, a BJP MP, now backs this opinion, arguing against strict rules to curb smoking. He says sugar is also harmful and causes diabetes. No one can stop the use of sugar, so why single out the use of tobacco? What's interesting is that the MP, Mr. Gupta, is the owner of a beedi making business that is worth hundreds of crores, but denied a conflict of interest in serving on a committee that has just given this tobacco industry a major breather.
जब ऑलरेडी देयर वाज ए वार्निंग, तो इसको साइज घटाने बढ़ाने से क्या होगा? आपको अगर आप इंटरनेशनल WHO के दबाव में है, तो फिर अमेरिका में जो साइज वो करवाइए आप यहाँ पर। अमेरिका में कुछ और यहाँ पर कुछ, और WHO के कहने से आप सब कर रहे हो।
बट
नेशनल इशू
बट WHO तो UN के अंडर वर्ल्ड हेल्थ ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है, UN बॉडी है। ये तो सारे देश मेंबर हैं। इनफैक्ट
जो बॉडी अगर वो है तो इंटरनेशनली कोई फार्मूला बना हुआ है, अलग अलग देशों के लिए अलग अलग फार्मूला का बना रहे हैं।
एंड
दूसरी चीज ये है कि बीड़ी सिर्फ इंडिया में बनती है, बिकती है, और इसका रॉ मटेरियल सिर्फ इंडिया में है। सिगरेट ऑल ओवर वर्ल्ड बनता है और सेल होता है। तो सिगरेट को अलग कर लें, बीड़ी को अलग कर लें, गुटखा को अलग कर लें।
बट ये
सिगरेट का साइज अलग है, सिगरेट की पैकिंग अलग है, बीड़ी का साइज अलग है, बीड़ी की पैकिंग अलग है।
बट तंबाकू को लेके तो ये तो सबने ही कहा कि तंबाकू हानिकारक होता है।
नहीं, तंबाकू हानिकारक है, मैं उससे मना नहीं करता हूँ, लेकिन कितना है, कितनी डिग्री का है? जनरल है। कहीं बीड़ी में तंबाकू का लेसर इस्तेमाल है सिगरेट से बहुत कम इस्तेमाल होता है बीड़ी में। अच्छा, बीड़ी टोबैको इज एग्रीकल्चरल प्रोडक्ट विदाउट ब्लेंडिंग, कोई ब्लेंडिंग नहीं इसमें, और सिगरेट वगैरह में तो ब्लेंडिंग भी होती है।
एंड इससे आपके हिसाब से काफी लोगों को इससे रोजगार भी मिलता है?
हाँ, रोजगार तो करीब 1 करोड़ लोग इसमें इन्वॉल्व हैं। मैन्युफैक्चरिंग, पैकिंग और इसके रॉ मटेरियल के फॉरेस्ट से और टोबैको प्रोडक्शन से ट्रांसपोर्टेशन प्लस ऑल द शॉप पीपल्स ऑल इन्वॉल्व।
But इसमें से in fact, Mr. Gupta, you also have a big, I think, family business in this, in BD manufacture. So
इसीलिए तो मैं इसको A से Z तक जानता हूँ। इसके हानि और नुकसान मेरा टोबैको के पक्ष में नहीं कह रहा हूँ मैं कुछ, लेकिन एम्प्लॉयमेंट प्लस बिजनेस प्लस लेसर हार्म इन बीडी, मेरा ये कहना है।
बट आपके हिसाब से
एक बात, गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया ने ही ग्रुप ऑफ मिनिस्टर के द्वारा डिसीजन ले लिया था 40% का, और वो ऑलरेडी चल रहा है। तो इसको आप 85% करके आपको और किसी देश में हुआ कि अकेले इंडिया भर में आपको इसको लागू करके क्या पा जाए?
नहीं, बल्कि
इसके कि विदेशियों के दबाव में आकर के आप इंडियन इंडस्ट्री को नुकसान पहुंचा रहे हैं।
So let's go across to Neha Masih, who joins us from Lucknow. Neha, some of the comments that are coming in from the people from this committee are from bizarre to perhaps worse. Now, as young medical students and the medical community watches this debate, it's been a campaign that's been on for a couple of years. India was hailed to actually put those pictorial warnings on cigarette packets, on all other tobacco products, and now everything's changed. We're back to square one. How do medical students really look at this?
That's right, Kulsum. Of course, we have to recognize that here this is a committee which is headed by MPs who have various business interests, which is really the key here. And this particular MP who we just heard, Mr. Gupta, he himself is a BD baron. So these things coming from him is probably not so surprising and more business driven. But I have with me here Prachi, a young medical student, and to talk about some of the aspects that you were mentioning, Kulsum. Now, Prachi, we hear MPs saying that, you know, how can we ban everything? There are sugar which causes diabetes. Is that really something that medically makes sense?
Ma'am, I would like to say that sugar does not actually cause diabetes. Diabetes is a condition which is genetically determined autoimmune in condition, and once a person has diabetes, the blood sugar level rises, and to control that, the patient is asked to cut down on his intake of sugar. So because rising blood sugar has a number of harmful effects on the body, it can harm different organs like the kidneys, the eyes, and the heart. To cut down on that effect, the patient is asked to cut down on his sugar content, but it is not a causative agent to cause diabetes. So there is no basically comparison between the tobacco causing cancer and sugar
causing diabetes. Right, so great that you put that to rest. But about the other aspect that he said is that BD does not have any harmful effects. Now, we've of course heard and known otherwise. What about you? Can you tell us some scientific studies that have probably shown otherwise?
Yes, ma'am, there are several studies that actually prove that tobacco and its products directly cause cancer and various other medical conditions, because there are several chemicals, more than 200 known chemicals in tobacco that cause cancer and other diseases. It causes cancer of mouth, larynx, the throat and stomach, esophagus, and other conditions of the heart, the lungs, and asthma, bronchitis, and even mothers who smoke during their pregnancy and after their pregnancy have adverse effects on their children. There are several congenital conditions that can be caused to the kid of the smoking mother.
So it is beyond doubt that BD tobacco is definitely harmful.
Yes, it is definitely harmful.
Okay, and my last question to you is also that, do you think it is right that somebody who has a BD business is actually heading this committee to determine the health effects, to determine what kind of warnings should be put? Is that correct?
Ma'am, it is obviously not correct, because business interests of a person will influence his judgments in an obvious way, and it is definitely not the right way.
And that's what we are seeing right now.
We need an impartial committee who looks to the pros and the cons of the condition, and then judges whether the tobacco should be banned or not.
Right.